Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, for those who doesn't know me yet, I'm Jane Oandasan, your YouTube creator. Okay, so as you can see here guys, I have this one from Shopee. Yeah, so we're gonna unbox it. What is this one? This is good equipment for my vlogging. Okay, alright, so what's the name of this? It's a ring light. Okay, so now let's check it.
Before we proceed, like and subscribe my channel. Just click the thumbs up and then click also subscribe and notify yourself by clicking the bell and then type your question here in the comment and then comment. I would like to have a big shout out to JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station is located at Boston Heights, Toclong, Kawit, Cavite. So for those who are located at Imus and Kawit, Cavite, you can order purified water at JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. How to order? You can text or call this number. For those Globe user, it's 0977-3975-645 or Smart 0939-219390. Or you can also message at Messenger JJ Diamond. You can also like its FB page and YouTube channel JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. Jane's Vacation Rentals. Don't forget to subscribe. You can like the page on the Facebook page and subscribe to this channel and check what are the available rooms or units for short or long-term rentals. You can check in Metro Manila, SMDC Light Residences located at Mandaluyong, Manila Rivercity Residences located at Santa Ana. For Cavite area, Amaris Homes located at Bacoor, Cavite. There are more vacation rentals still for constructions, so just keep browsing Jane's Vacation Rentals on the FB page to see all the available units that is good for you.
Very safe. Okay, so let's start from there. Let's check if this equipment is really working. Okay, they said that this one is really good for vlogging, so let's check it out if it's really good. If it's not, then let's give it back. It's really thick. They make sure that this equipment is very secure, no? Okay, so what we have here, we have the light here already. Let's check it. What is inside, how it looks like. So yeah, so it has the nut in here. I don't know if that's the real name of this. It's not maybe, but this one for sure the name of this is a ring light. So this is the light. So it is circle. And it has this one, I'm not sure, I think this one is the remote control. Okay, so let's put this one here first. Okay, so let's put that aside. And then we have this one. I think this is the stand. Yeah, so this is the tripod. Ta-da! So let's take this out. You don't need that one anymore. And then we're gonna unpack this one. So it looks like a tripod of the camera, but this one is a tripod of the light. Okay, so let's put the drawer in there. I'm looking for the lock of that. Okay, so we need to lock it so that it will not loosen it. We need to tighten it, okay? Okay, so it looks good now. So it's up to you if you want to put this higher or lower. So it depends to you, okay? If you want to put in the table, of course you just need to do to put it in a low position, okay? So let's do it like this. And then now let's put the ring light. So as you can see, it is really compatible to put in here. Okay, so this is the screw, and this is the holder of the light. So just put it like this. Okay, so turn around until it is tightened. Okay, and then this one, as you can see, you can do it like that. You can move it, turn around, or just put upside up or whatever position you like. Okay, now let's put this ring light in it. Okay, so just put it like this. Just make sure that the wires are safe. The wires are safe, okay? So let's try to do turning around. Okay, so something like that. It's almost done. Okay, so it is tightened now. Alright. So as you can see, well, I didn't see any holder of the phone, so maybe it is something like this, no? So I put a ring light without the holder of the phone. So now we have the computer in here. Let's take up that one. Now this computer is here. Let's check. Okay. And let's do like that. How it works, I don't know. Let's check. Let's see. So this is the on and off. Ta-da! So how do I look like? Do I look like more beautiful or brighter or maybe more ugly? It's up to you. Decide whatever you like to decide about me. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, this ring light is working. Okay, all right, thank you for watching.